Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Poe, and I am going to show you how I use Poe to help me create professional YouTube videos. Now, as you're no doubt aware, YouTubers like myself are using AI to help us with the video creation, the video production side of things. But here's the thing, here's why I chose Poe. Because as opposed to selecting a single chatbot or a single large language model, etc., I chose Poe because it gives me access to all of them. Literally, it's all here. It's incredible. If you log into Poe, you will have access to OpenAI's brand new models, O1 Mini, O1 Preview. If you need help creating images, whether it's a YouTube thumbnail or an image that you want to put into the video, you have access to countless number of AI image generators. I use Flux Pro, but Ideogram, Playground version 3, so many different things are in here. You can select from one or all of them. Also, if you want to create animations, or maybe you want to put in some B-roll and you want to create some video with AI video generation, you can do that too. They've got access to the Pika model, and I'm going to show you how to do that and so much more in this video. It's absolutely crazy. This is the best tool for helping you create YouTube videos, I promise. Let's get into it. All right, so the first step's an easy one. Just head over to poe.com, links in the description below, and then just click on Continue with Google to log in with your Gmail. You can log in with your Apple, your email address, or now even your phone number. It's very, very simple, and you also get access to free and paid accounts. So if you want to try it out for free, you can do that. They're very, very cool that way. Once you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks a lot like this, if not exactly like this. And now we can start cooking. Let's go. All right, so now that we're logged in, you'll see here up at the top left, you'll see Explore and Create Bot. I want to note up front here that you can create your own bots in Poe. That is outside the scope of this video, but it is available. So for those of you that are technical or have your own unique use case, go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on Explore, and then right away you'll see up here that Official is highlighted here in this list of topics. As I scroll through this, you're going to see an access to all of the official bots. So there are a lot of them, and they are excellent. O1 Mini, O1 Preview are OpenAI's brand new models, the ones that used to be called Strawberry and Q-Star. Well, they've already got them in Poe. They are fantastic. If you are creating AI images or you want to do AI image generation, they've got Flux Pro integrated here, as well as other ones like Ideogram, Playground version 3, etc. They're there as well. So there are so many different ones here. And as you go through the list here, I mean, Pika, this is the other one we're going to use. This one allows you to create AI video literally with one click, one prompt. Amazing stuff. So let's start this off. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on web search here, and then we're going to use this to do a quick search for topics, and we're going to do a quick brainstorm. Then we're going to start cooking. All right, here we go. So again, click on web search. This is the first one that I'm going to use, and then I'm just going to type in something very simple, AI news. I basically operate in the AI space, as you can see from my channel here. I'm just going to type in that simple prompt, or that simple query, and I'm going to look and see what the news is. Now, this has done a web search, and look at this here. California's Governor Gavin Newsom recently vetoed a sweeping AI legislation bill that would have been the first. Okay, so this is a fantastic piece of news. This is a topic that I can definitely work with for my YouTube channel. So there we go. Now, if I want to go in this further, take a look down here. You'll even see that it gives you the sources. So this one here has a 1 attached to it, and if I click on it, look at that here. Here we go. We're already on the website, pbs.org. This is a quality news website, by the way. And here it is. Newsom vetoes bill to create AI safety measures, saying it could hinder innovation in California. That is exactly what I am looking for, and this is the first step I use in generating content. Now we're going to move forward and summarize the content and take it to the next level. All right, so we've got a pretty good idea here, something to run with. We're going to run with number 1 here, the Gavin Newsom video. So here we go. The next step is, watch this here. I'm going to go ahead and in the prompt, write a 500-word YouTube script for number 1. So I've selected number 1 here, which is the video that we want to make. Hit enter. Watch this. It's going to go ahead and cook us up something in a split second here. We've got something real good here. So it gave us a title, California Governor Gavin Newsom vetoes AI legislation bill. Okay, we can go with that. Here's the script. Intro. Background. Newsom's veto. It talks about the veto in here. And again, I'll let you guys go through this. I'll put this in the description here below. But the bottom line is it has helped us write a YouTube script. Now, I don't recommend using this verbatim. That's just a bad idea. You want, of course, read it over, make sure it's accurate, put your own voice into it, use some inflection in your videos and in your voice, etc. But for a start, this is a fantastic use of Poe. And now let's go ahead and start looking at how we can create some images, a YouTube thumbnail. Maybe we'll put some B-roll video footage in there, and I'll show you how to do that using a couple of the other bots. Let's go. All right, so we've got some ideas. We did a web search. We went ahead and got some basic scripting in. And of course, you can go ahead and dig in a lot deeper. You can rewrite sections with, for example, here I am on Explore. You'll see O1 Mini, O1 Preview. These are the big boy LLM models that you could use to rewrite sections and stuff like that, use it to brainstorm. But the bottom line is that is the beginning of the process of writing and creating a YouTube video. Now we're getting into the visual side of things. The first thing I like to do is I'll click on Explore, I'll click on Official, and then I'm going to go down a little bit and I'm going to go ahead and find Pika. Pika is an AI video generation. So this is AI video as opposed to scripting and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Watch this here. Now I'm in Pika and I can literally just say, hey, create me a video. So I'm just going to type in scary AI robot. And then I'm going to go -- aspect ratio 16:9. So that is the standard ratio for YouTube widescreen and stuff like that. But very simple stuff. I'm just going to type that, and then again, with literally just a couple of words, I'll hit enter. Watch what happens. Pika is going to process it. It's already generating the video, and it's quite quick, actually. I was expecting it to be a little slower than that. I'm going to come back when it's done. I'm going to show you what we got, and then I'm even going to show you how I put that into my video editor so you can see that part of the process as well. All right, welcome back. So that only took just a few seconds, unbelievably fast, and look at this video here. Let's hit play on it. Watch this. We created that literally with 3 words and 1 click. That's how good this is. If I want to use this, I just click on this download button, and there we go. I've downloaded it. I'll just grab the video right here, make sure I've got it. There it is, Scary AI Robot, and I'll just take that video, drop it into CapCut just like this, drop it onto my timeline. It fits perfectly because we set the aspect ratio up perfectly, and watch this. There it is. It's in my workflow. It took seconds. This is amazing. It gets better. Let me show you how I'm going to create my thumbnail next. All right, here we go. So we've got some great video. Let's go a little further. We need to create our thumbnail. That's a big part of YouTubers, is creating a catchy, nice looking thumbnail. And yeah, you can do it in Poe. You guessed it. So let's go ahead and go back to Explore up here. And then under Official, I'm going to slide down and select Flux Pro. My opinion, Flux Pro is as good as Midjourney in at least a lot of things. Better at some, maybe not quite as good at others, but it is top-notch. It's premium, and hey, if you've got it, use it. So there we go. So Flux Pro has been selected. Now we need a YouTube thumbnail. So create a YouTube, let's just create a YouTube thumbnail. About, what is it about? About AI legislation, dystopian, cyberpunk style, something like that, guys. I'm just having some fun here with have AI legislation in type on the image, something like that. I mean, go nuts, but here's just an example. I'll hit enter. It's going to go ahead. It's going to use Flux Pro. Flux Pro is pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's quite good at getting text correct as well. So I'm going to come back when this is done. It should take just a few seconds, show you what we got, and then we're going to go a step further. All right, so here's the first kick at the can, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's very good. It didn't quite get the text the way I'd like it, but that's okay. You can always just add text on in a free Photoshop editor or something like that, a free image editor. But here we go. You'll see here we've got a nice image. Click on it. If I want to download it, I can go ahead and do that. Also, you'll see here underneath, we can upscale it. It's got access to a free upscaler, and we don't have to go through a long list of bots to find them. They're here. They're quite convenient. If we want to animate this image like we just did with Pika, 1 click, and you can even do comparisons. So if you want to see what it looks like with Playground, 3 ideograms, Stable Diffusion XL, etc., you can literally just 1 click on it. So there we go. We've got a candidate for a YouTube thumbnail. We would just add a little bit of type on top of it, and it's done. This is how easy and how good Poe is at helping YouTubers like me and maybe like you create amazing content. All right, and last but not least, sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, but I want to show you to you just in case. I'm back here on Explore under Official. You'll see O1 Mini. This is my favorite LLM or LLM model right now. And one of the things you can do is just this. Watch this. I've got a transcript from my video here for a video that I made just the other day. I'm going to copy and paste in a transcript of my video, includes chapters, and then watch this. I'll just type this in, write a detailed YouTube description for this video. Write 20 YouTube tags, comma separated, no numbers. And basically what I'm doing is saying, hey, that whole part where you got to add in your YouTube description and add in your tags, well, why not just let O1 Mini or something like that help you with it? And here's what we got. It's almost instantaneous. Unlock your academic potential. Okay, sounds good. Here's the description. Here's the coverage of what's covered in the video. Here's why I chose that tool, etc. Here's some links to it. And then here's a list of tags as well. So this is kind of right at the end of the video, right when you're uploading it. Purely optional, but I find it saves me a lot of time. So there it is, guys, end to end, from coming up with the idea to writing the description and the tags, the YouTube thumbnail, the interstitial B-roll footage that we use, the animations, all of that was done with the help with Poe. It's that easy. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.